Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. And this is Understanding the SDGs in English, an interpreter's take two. This is the fifth video, and I'm sorry it's been a really long time since I uploaded the last video. I'm trying to catch up with the speed of the class. I'm really happy that the students in the current semester have been really active and they participate in the discussion so actively. So I really like the class now. So thank you so much. So today we are going to talk about sustainable fashion. So fashion needs to be also sustainable. So let's talk about this. First, this is an example of Tokyo Girls collection. They have started Sustaina stage for the UN SDGs action. So based on United Nations SDGs, Tokyo Girls collection is also trying to take actions and make sustainability more fashionable. So now being sustainable, wearing sustainable clothes, doing sustainable fashion is cool and it's fashionable. And that's the people's perception. That's the people's idea now. So if people have this sustainability through fashion, then fashion can change people's perception and the world, right? So this is another way to impact the young people toward sustainability. So my point here is that there are many ways to influence, to impact people in the world, and they will go towards sustainability, but fashion is one of the ways. For me, education is the way, and for you, it may be different, but the point here is that there are many ways to promote sustainability. And if you like fashion, you can start from fashion and go for sustainability. If you like English, you can start with English learning and learn sustainability at the same time. So Tokyo Girls Collection is a very good initiative to really impact young people towards sustainability from fashion standpoint. And also materials and ingredients for making clothes are very important. So we already learned that coffee has a lot of certifications and materials needed. Just like coffee, we can make a better choice for buying clothes. So to make a better decision, what do we need? For example, please take a look at the materials and check where those materials come from. Does it come from the United States? Does it come from Canada? Does it come from Europe? Does it come from China, Korea? If it's really far away from Japan, then it requires a lot of CO2 because you have to carry these materials through airplanes or through trucks. So if the materials are produced in Japan domestically, it's better for CO2 emission perspective. Also, we can check certifications for clothes making, and checking certifications saves your time on whether clothes are sustainably made or not. So if you don't know what to check, then just check the certifications. One example is Eco-Agros. This is one certification from Europe, and when you check clothes, and if you find Eco-Agros, this means that the clothes are sustainably made. So you don't have to do all the studies, all the research about the product. If you check Eco-Agros and or other certifications, for example, JAS certifications, then you can you can save time to check everything. Okay, so EcoAgros and other certifications are the shortcut to make a better choice for clothes. Okay, and this is the last slide. I wanted to talk about my job. Almost 2 years ago, it was in December 2021 that I did interpretation at Genoa Talk Volume 5. And the theme of this talk was wearing better for soil. So people in this event talked about how to make clothes better and how to make soils better through clothes. And I want to talk about Dr. Emma Kidd, this lady here. She is from the UK, and she talks about fashion detox challenge. So this is a very interesting challenge. It is about refraining from buying new clothes for 10 weeks. Okay, so 10 weeks is about 2.5 months. Okay, so it's about 70 days or so. And we say, okay, from today, for 10 weeks, I'm not going to buy new clothes. We make a decision, we make a resolution, and we do not buy any new clothes. Of course, when you go to clothing shop and other shops, you see stylish clothes and you want to buy them, but you have to stop. Nope, I'm not going to buy new clothes for 10 weeks. So you have to stop your emotion. And you can actually notice how much clothes you used to buy unnecessarily. So you didn't have to buy those clothes, but just because you liked it, you used to buy those clothes. But now with the fashion detox challenge, you can stop yourself and you can say to yourself, no, I don't need this. I got to know about fashion detox challenge by interpreting at this talk event, and we learned very shocking number. One truck of clothes, one truck full of clothes, are wasted every second. So 1 second, one truck, 2 seconds, two trucks, 3 seconds, three trucks, wasted every second. This is a shocking fact. Can we really change this situation? I think we must change the situation. And how can we change the situation? I think we can change our behaviors. I think we can change our psychology. We can change our thinking about buying new clothes. It's good to purchase new clothes, but do we have to buy it now or 10 weeks later? Let's think about it this way and make a smart choice. When you really need it, you have to buy it. But do you really need it now? That's the question Dr. Emma Kidd asked to the audience at that time. So this is Genoa Talk, and I was interpreting in different talk sessions hosted by Genoa. I really liked interpreting for them because every time I do interpretation, I learned a lot about sustainability, soil, biodiversity, wearing better clothes, and everything. I learned that everything is really connected. So that's why I'm talking about understanding the SDGs in English through the interpreter's eyes. And this is the 5th video about sustainable fashion. I hope you liked the session this time, and I will hope to see you next time. Thank you very much.